Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Asha Edu Class. Today, let's work on Class 6 English Honeysuckle book, Lesson 4, An Indian American Woman in Space, MCQs. Question: what was the date of the Columbia Space Shuttle tragedy? A. 1st February 2003. B. 16th January 2003. C. 2nd February 2003. D. 31st January 2003. Answer: A. 1st February 2003. Question: how many astronauts were on board the Columbia Space Shuttle during the tragedy? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 5. Answer: B. 7. Question: at what time did NASA lose contact with the Columbia Space Shuttle? A. 9 a.m. B. 10 p.m. C. 7 p.m. D. 6 p.m. Answer: A. 9 a.m. Question: where did the Columbia Space Shuttle lift off from? A. Johnson Space Center, Texas. B. Cape Canaveral, Florida. C. Vandenberg Space Force Base, California. D. Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Answer: open mouth laughing smiley. Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Question: how many days did the Columbia Space Shuttle stay in orbit? A. 14 days. B. 15 days. C. 16 days. D. 17 days. Answer: B. 15 days. Question: which city was Kalpana Chawla born in? A. Karnal. B. Chandigarh. C. Haryana. D. Delhi. Answer: A. Karnal. Question: what was Kalpana Chawla's highest educational qualification? A. Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical Engineering. B. PhD in Aerospace Engineering. C. Master's degree in Aeronautical Engineering. D. Bachelor of Science in Aerospace Engineering. Answer: B. PhD in Aerospace Engineering. Question: Kalpana Chawla was married to A. Michael Johnson. B. John Smith. C. Jean Pierre Harrison. D. Robert Anderson. Answer: C. Jean Pierre Harrison. Question: which space shuttle did Kalpana Chawla fly on for her first mission? A. Columbia. B. Challenger. C. Discovery. D. Endeavour. Answer: A. Columbia. Question: how many times did Kalpana Chawla circle the Earth during her first space mission? A. 200 times. B. 252 times. C. 300 times. D. 150 times. Answer: B. 252 times. Question: what experiments were conducted during Kalpana Chawla's first space mission? A. Testing for stronger metals and faster computer chips. B. Observing food growth and testing for faster computer chips. C. Pollinating plants and observing food growth. D. Pollinating plants and testing for stronger metals. Answer: pollinating plants and testing for stronger metals. Question: what was the approximate cost of the experiments conducted during Kalpana Chawla's first space mission? A. $100 million. B. $75 million. C. $56 million. D. $25 million. Answer: B. $56 million. Question: where did Kalpana Chawla send a message from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia? A. to her college in Chandigarh. B. to her family in Karnal. C. to NASA headquarters. D. to her friends in the United States. Answer: A. to her college in Chandigarh. Question: what did Kalpana Chawla say in her message to the students of her college? A. the path from dreams to success does exist. B. may you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. C. Wishing you a great journey. D. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. Question: what was Kalpana Chawla's profession before becoming an astronaut? A. Research scientist. B. Engineer. C. Pilot. D. Doctor. Answer: C. Pilot. Question: the Columbia Space Shuttle was flying at an altitude of when ground control lost contact with it. A. Over 200,000 feet. B. Over 100,000 feet. C. Over 300,000 feet. D. Over 400,000 feet. Answer: A. Over 200,000 feet. Question: how fast was the Columbia Space Shuttle traveling when ground control lost contact with it? A. Over 10,000 kilometers per hour. B. Over 20,000 kilometers per hour. C. Over 30,000 kilometers per hour. D. Over 40,000 kilometers per hour. Answer: B. Over 20,000 kilometers per hour. Question: which country's astronaut was also part of the Columbia Space Shuttle crew? A. Russia and Ukraine. B. China and Ukraine. C. Japan and Ukraine. D. France and Ukraine. Answer: C. Japan and Ukraine. Question: what type of airplanes was Kalpana Chawla licensed to fly? A. Single and multi-engine land airplanes. B. Only single-engine land airplanes. C. Only multi-engine land airplanes. D. Only single-engine seaplanes. Answer: A. Single and multi-engine land airplanes. Question: which of the following statements about Kalpana Chawla is true? A. She was the first Indian woman astronaut. B. She was the first woman astronaut to fly on the Columbia Space Shuttle. C. She was the first woman to fly on the Columbia Space Shuttle. D. She was the first woman born in India to go into space. Answer: she was the first woman born in India to go into space. Keep learning, keep growing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for updates.